Hey friends, in this painting tutorial I will show you how to create the abstract acrylic paintings behind me. Now I created these paintings specifically for this dining room and I used the color palette you see here. For example, the chandelier has purple, so I used purple in the paintings. The chairs are brown leather chairs, so I used both brown and metallic copper paint. Additionally, when the chandelier is on the way it's on now, it does glimmer and shimmer with these gold tones. So I also used metallic gold paint. Now anyone who sees them will probably recognize that these are birch trees. And I think that's really neat because the abstraction level is actually pretty high. But when you walk by the dining room or you sit down and enjoy a meal at the table, you immediately feel like you're surrounded by birch trees. These paintings also have an interesting story because they actually started as a more realistic version of birch trees and in oils. And then I decided to create abstract art, and so I moved to acrylic paints and I started using acrylic painting techniques to create these 3 abstract acrylic paintings. If you're interested in learning how to create these paintings, keep watching.
Been clearer. I see what you're doing to me now. They lie, they steal, they fooled us. Deep down I probably knew this. I think I will be holding on to the one thing that I know is stronger. And no one's perfect. Platinum seems so shallow, 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 shallow. But you are bright white gold. They made us lose our focus. Same hands that formed us. Go build a better tomorrow. For you I'd make it a rainbow. I think I will be holding on to the one thing that I know is stronger. Love is blind and no one's perfect. So shallow, 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 shallow. But you are bright white gold. With you by my side I'm not worried. I think we'll be able to find ourselves again. Blank expressions, empty words. Nothing can keep me away from you. I think I will be holding on to the one thing that I know is stronger. Love is blind and no one told us. Platinum seems so shallow, 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 shallow. But you were bright white.
If you like this painting tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more content like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd love to see you again.